Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to next Femitech video tutorial. Now, for today's episode, I'm just gonna show you what to do whenever your hard drive is running slow in your desktop PC. Now, presently, I have two hard drive that I use to store my files in terms of music, softwares, documents, and those I think they are 500 gig each, and I think I would have split one. So what I realized is that whenever I'm booting up my desktop computer, taking a really long time to boot up. Once I disconnect those two hard drives, then I realize that it boot up really within seconds, because as you can see that the local disk C, it is a SSD um, type hard drive, so it should not take more than, like, say for example, 20 seconds to boot up. That's the actual time, or about that time that it should actually boot up. Mine, it's taking like 2 minutes sometimes, once I have the other two data hard drive installed. So what I've done, I've download I've actually get a software to defrag those hard drives. So that's what I'm gonna actually do. So the defragment process for this one actually started. Now what defragging the hard drive basically do is that um, a file, for example, that have different section, different segments, sometimes will basically split up, and actually the you'll actually find it at different point, different section of the hard drive. So what defragment do is that it actually combine, it actually bring back all the pieces of a particular file together, put it in one place. So that way the hard drive will find or locate that file once you're trying to locate it or open it a lot more faster. So this one, it is being defrag. So for time purpose, of course, I'm gonna um fast forward the video for you, because I don't need to see all of the I don't need to see the entire process. Right, so yes guys, so this one now complete. Gonna move on to next hard drive. So again, the same process will take place here. As I said, definitely don't need to show you the entire process. Yes guys, so the process is now complete. So my hard drives, the computer itself, it should be coming up a lot more faster. So once again guys, defragging your hard drive again guys, and this will help you to actually ensure that your PC is working a lot faster. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.